India's total fertility rate now stands at 1.9, below the replacement rate that is 2.1. What do these numbers actually mean? Total fertility rate is the number of children would be born to a woman if she were lived through a childbearing years. Assuming current fertility pattern continues, but why the replacement rate is considered to be 2.1? Because an average every woman should give birth to at least two children. One probably replaces their each parents. And the extra zero point 0.1 percentage accounts for the fact that some children may not survive or they are not become parent by themselves. In fact, fertility rates have declined all over India. Only a few states remain above the replacement level, such as Bihar 2.9, Uttar Pradesh 2.6, which has the highest fertility rate in the country. To understand why fertility is falling, we need to go back a little. Around the year 1800, total fertility rate or approximately 4.5 to 7.5, which are common around the world. Fertility remained high for decades, and even by 1960s, the global average remained around 5 children per woman, and India became the first country in the world to launch a national family planning program to reduce the fertility and the population growth. Many developing nations implemented similar policies later. In 1994, the United Nations International Conference on Population and Development argued that population stabilization could be shaped by improving quality of life and giving families, particularly women and girls, access to education and family planning resources to better informed decision. And this policy is largely succeeded in reducing fertility rate. However, the rates are not stabilized. Fertility rates now continued to decline below the replacement level. India, once associated with a fear of overpopulation, now joining the same demographic club as countries like Finland and Japan. To understanding why rates are continuing to fall, the UNFPA Youth Reproductive Choices Survey undergoing in 70 countries, asking people directly why they are having few children than they want. And the results are rising the childcare expenses and increasing the inflation and anxiety about the future, political instability, and the climatic changes. The global fertility is continued to decline throughout these centuries, falling to 1.8 births of a woman by 2100, well below the replacement level. And the world population is expected to peak around 2084. And this is what the present situation. Follow for more and don't forget to share.